sorry ass DJ. If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tis is our channel. This virtual app is paid. Those of you who want to create a Telegram account for free must subscribe and turn on the notification. After a few days, we provide a free video on how to create an unlimited Telegram account.